Welcome to this new video. And from this video, I am going to continue the remaining topics related to black hole, which I had discussed in the last video. In the recent video, I had discussed a few topics related to black hole, like what is black hole, how it is formed, and how it is related to escape velocity. I had discussed that the escape velocity depends on the mass of the planet. That means the planet having the less mass will have less escape velocity as compared to the planet having the more mass. Like for example, the mass of Earth is less than the mass of sun, so the escape velocity on earth, that is 11.2 km per second, is less than the escape velocity on sun, that is 615 km per second. So these things we had discussed, and we had discussed few more things. Let's carry on, and let's now discuss another topic, that is spaghettification. So here I will draw a diagram and I will ask a few questions from you, and you should visualize those things in your mind first, and then I will answer those questions. So suppose this is a black hole, and here it is singularity. This is singularity having infinite density, having infinite density. And this boundary is called event horizon. This boundary is called event horizon, and this event horizon is also called the point of no return, the point of no return. And as the name suggests, it is called the point of no return because once you cross this boundary, there is absolutely no chance of coming back. You can't come back from this black hole, you can't return after crossing this boundary. That's why this boundary, this event horizon, is called the point of no return. So I am going to ask you a question here, and if you can answer that question, then you can understand this topic. So suppose you are standing here. Okay, suppose you are standing here with your huge stomach, your legs, and your hands, and this is your head, and you are standing here on a space. Somewhere in the space you are standing near the black hole, and you are coming closer to it. You are coming closer to it. So once you come very closer to it, you will experience some gravity. You will experience gravitational force on your body. So my question is, what will happen to your body when you come closer to this black hole? What changes will occur in your body? Think for a moment and pause this video. Think for a moment, and then you can tell me that what are you thinking, what is your in your mind. I am not going to dictate everything in a one go. I want you to think for a moment by yourself, then I will continue, because delivering everything instantly will not create curiosity in the minds, and I want that curiosity. So let's think for a moment, and then you can answer. So so let's continue. So when you are standing here and you are coming closer to this black hole, what happens is that you will experience a gravitational force on your body. But the gravitational force that is experienced by your legs, here is your legs, right? So the gravitational force due to this black hole that is experienced by your legs is very large, is very much than the gravitational force experienced on your head. That means that is your length of your body, and the gravitational force that is experienced by your legs here is very much. This gravitational force on your leg is very large than the gravitational force on your head. because the black hole has a extreme gravitational force, and this may not happen in other planets like in the case of earth. So in the case of earth, due to your length of body, your height, there is, it never happens like you never feel like your legs are experiencing more gravitational force than your head. You never experience those things in the case of earth, but this is not the case in the case of black hole. In black hole, your legs will experience a more gravitational force than your head, and that gravitational force experienced by your legs is very large than the gravitational force that is experienced by your head. So you know what happen, what will happen as a result. e- as a result, this is your body, this is your body, this is your hand, this is your legs. As a result, what will happen, due to this gravitational force difference, due to this difference in gravitational force, due to this difference, your legs are going to stretch. Your legs will stretch like a noodle. And your legs are going to stretch vertically, and your entire body is going to squeeze horizontally. Your body, why your body is going to squeeze horizontally? It is because your body is going to stretch because your legs are very close to the surface of black hole. Okay, your legs are very close to the surface of black hole. That means this distance, this is your body, this is your legs, and this is the surface of black hole. Due to this difference, this distance between your legs and the black hole is very less. This distance is very less than this distance, your head and the body. Due to this very less distance, it will experience more gravitational force, and due to this large gravitational force, your body is going to get stretched like a noodle. It will get stretched vertically. It is going to get stretched, and because it is going to stretch vertically, automatically your body is going to uh, squeeze horizontally. From horizontally, it is going to squeeze, and vertically it is going to get stretched like a noodle. So this is your body, before entering the black hole, and this is your body after entering black hole. You can't figure it out like where is your head, where is your legs. There is nothing visible now. You are totally like a small thin thread. Your body will change like that. That is the power of black hole. That is the power of black hole and gravity. You are here standing before the black hole, you are all okay, no worry, everything is okay, everything is fine. But once you get inside this, your body is going to stretch vertically, and it is going to get squeezed horizontally, and you are now like a thread. Have you ever imagined this before? Don't you find this interesting? I think nature is very interesting. If you study nature, if you study things, if you study how the things are changing, if you study entropy, if you study space and time fabric, you will find these things very interesting. I am going to continue these topics in my remaining video. I am thinking that I will not means put everything inside a single video, because in the last video the video was around half an hour. So it is not a good idea, I think, to means put everything in a single video. I should split into a small parts, and yeah, I will continue uploading those videos in the upcoming days. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will create some more videos in the upcoming days. And if you want to support, then please like and comment, and thank you. Yeah, see you soon in the next video. Thank you.